Alright guys, how's it going? Here we go again, giveaway time. Now, as you know, or maybe you don't, but every time I gain another 1,000 subscribers, I do a giveaway. When I reached 2,000, I gave away a brand new Beachcaster. When I reached 3,000, I gave away a brand new Pen Surf Blaster reel. This time, I'm giving away a big box of goodies, lots of terminal tackle, etc. I'm not sponsored, alright? I have paid for this myself, and hopefully it'll make someone happy. I just want to say a big thank you to all of my viewers, all of my subscribers. A lot of you have been with me from the very start. You know who you are, always commenting, always interacting with the channel. It's very much appreciated. And also, I want to say a big thank you to all of my channel members, and I'll give you guys a quick shout out now. So, my channel members are Wayne Clark, Mark Hopkins, Johnny Morocco, Paul Jackson, Rebecca Salt, Gary Bohan, Andrew Jones, TAC, Robert Langley, Paul Talbot, Christopher Rowlands, Paul Jones, Jason Spears, Wayne Higgs, Paul Critchley, Peter Jenkins, David Jubin, Chris Cooper, Team Shepherd Fishing Adventures, Gary Foster, Dan Keynes, John Adron, Swamp Dog, Welsh Fisher, Matt Coates, Ian Taylor, Alex Ainley, Sarah Brown and David Williams. Nice one guys, cheers. I also want to say a big thank you to anyone who's donated to the channel. I've had a few of late, and I just want you to know that it all goes towards fuel, bait and camera equipment, alright? And again, it's really appreciated. Do you know, I was thinking, wouldn't it be good if this bundle of stuff went to someone who needs it? For example, someone who's just starting fishing, or someone who maybe is struggling financially, but it's easier said than done. I've been racking my brain as to how I can do it. So this is what I'm going to do. If and when I get to 5,000 subscribers, I will make sure that the giveaway prize goes to someone who needs it. And you can hold me to account on that, guys, because between now and then, I'll have plenty of time to think as to how I'm going to do it. But 100% that giveaway prize will go to someone who needs it, alright? As for this giveaway, it's open to all of my subscribers and also my channel members. All you have to do to enter is to put the words "I'm in" anywhere in a comment below. Put the words "I'm in" anywhere in a comment below, and I'll put the names, or I'll put the entries into a spreadsheet, cut them out, pop them into the old bucket, and I'll draw the winner. Deadline for entry is 7 PM on the 19th of February. 7 PM, 19th of February. Right then, let's have a look at this bundle of stuff. We've got a Gemini Disgorger. Brilliant things, those, absolutely brilliant. We've got some Kamasan B940 hooks in sizes 2, 1, 10, 20, 30 and 40. So all the sizes there are covered. We've got 3 spools of Amnesia fishing line. So this is memory-free monofilament. Brilliant stuff. In breaking strains of 60, 40 and 20 pounds. So all bases covered. We got a nice baiting tool for your fish baits. Some bait elastic. That's a medium bait elastic. Some Mighty Bright tip tape in yellow and orange. Got a nice sharp pair of scissors for your mono or your braid. a knot pulling tool. That's a useful old thing that when you're making your rigs. So yeah, little knot pulling tool. Couple of bells. Ding, ling, ling, ling. We've got some rig crimps. Oh, some rig tubing, neoprene and silicone. Loads of 5mm beads in various different colours. We got orange, red, green, pink, black, blue, yellow, glow in the dark. They're all there. A nice selection of beads. We've got some zip booms or slider booms if you like. So those are for your running ledger rigs. Some black impact shield bait clips. A tip light, LED tip light for your fishing rod. We've got some pulley beads for your pulley rigs. What else have we got? Crane swivels, 3 packets of crane swivels, 3 different sizes. Some crimp swivels, again 3 different sizes, 3 packets. So these are for your flapper rigs. Some link clips, useful things. Some metal booms or wire booms. So those are for your flappers or your paternosters. Some steel or stainless steel bait clips or rig clips, whatever you want to call them. And finally, we've got a good variety of leads, plain and grippers, in 4, 5, 6 and also 7 ounce. So I've got the old grippers there. And we got, I mean there are more, but got the plain ones here as well. Like, yeah, quite a few leads. So there we go. A nice bundle of stuff there, guys. Like I said, deadline for entry, 7 PM, 19th of February. I'll let you know when I'll be doing the draw, okay? But good luck, all the best, and hopefully you'll see me soon on a rock or on a beach, on a patch of mud. Who knows? Take it easy.